Cupcakes can be a great source of inspiration for people. They can remind people that even though life may be tough, there is always room for a little bit of happiness. Cupcakes can also remind people that no matter how bad things may seem, they can always get better. There is something truly inspiring about having a bird as a pet. Watching them fly and interact with their environment is mesmerizing. Birds are also very intelligent creatures and can be trained to do tricks or even learn to say a few words. They are a great addition to any home and can bring happiness and joy to everyone who interacts with them. Nothing beats chocolate ice cream on a hot summer's day. It reminds us that even when things are tough, there's always something to smile about. It reminds us that no matter how bad things might seem at first, there's always a chance for happiness and joy.